Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Mansoor Nasir and my project is an online bookstore, and I'll be explaining following segments of my project: needs, problem, scope of the project, key personnel, goals, objective, work breakdown structure, waterfall project life cycle, budgeting plan for 1 year, overall project duration, project charter, project management plan, scope management plan, cost management plan, quality management plan, risk management plan, and last one is SWOT. Now, first segment is need and problems. In this modern age, we have made quite development in all the fields of science and technology. If we see 20 years back, world might have survived without technology, but now it is an important part of our lives. People have lost touch with the books and they don't often visit the bookstores. So having an online bookstore will allow the customer to easily search for the desired book by easily entering the name in the search bar, or they can just send us inquiry. Second segment is scope of the project. An online bookstore has its own unique selling point. Firstly, it saves customer a lot of time and reduces the level of uncertainty to the minimum level. Secondly, we will be using the best domain and host and social media platform, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Thirdly, we will hire best software engineers to maintain the software and managing larger amount of data to provide our customer to the best experience. Third segment is about the key personnel, which is basically the staff of online bookstore. Key personnel, CEO, online store manager, software engineer, and manager finance. Goals and objective. The objective to develop a web application is to allow a customer to purchase a variety of books online and provide an easy to use interface to the customer. The purpose of online bookstore is to save time and money. So online bookstores can save his valuable time. And third one, make a web-based application for online bookstore. The purpose of the application is to automate and facilitate the whole process of online selling books. And the last one is the web page we create will have a dedicated web server, and we have an expert software engineer who will work around the clock to ensure that there is no hacking or attempt at breaching data in order to protect the customer information that they have trusted with us. Fifth one is work breakdown structure. In work breakdown structure, they have initiation, planning, execution, and closure, and they have following subtasks. That's a waterfall project lifecycle for online bookstore. It is very simple to understand and use. In a waterfall lifecycle, waterfall project lifecycle, each phase must be completed before the next phase can be begun, and there is no overlapping in this phase. We can show in this image. First one is initiation. The bookstore has especially for book lovers. There's no need to go to the bookstores. Every book will be available online at the market price. Phase two, in this phase, we will be think about the activities required to achieve a desired goal, such as collaboration with bookstore, hire software engineer, and create a proper budgeting plan. In phase three, execution. In this phase, execute all the plans that you made in phase two and actually make it happen. Phase four, closure. This is the last phase of the project life cycle. In this project, the project of online bookstore has closed or may be transferred. Budgeting plan for 1 year. This is a very, very important step in our WBS because this is a plan that shows how we use our income. For example, first we register domain for 1 year. After registration of domain, buy web hosting, salaries, set salaries of staffs and utility bills, website design and web development cost and maintenance cost. Total cost $12,350 to $14,780. Overall project duration. In MS project, online bookstore total duration is 126 days, initiation 2 days, planning 45 days, execution 67 days, close out 12 days. Project charter have 4 parts: project vision, project structure, implementation plan, estimate issues. In project structure, we have CEO, online store manager, software engineer, manager, finance. In implementation plan, following all the steps of plan phase in the work breakdown structure, such as hiring, collaboration, budgeting, etc. They have our implementation plan. Project management plan. A project management is a formal approved document that defines how the project is executed, monitored, and controlled. This document is used to define the approach project team takes to deliver that intended project management. Scope management plan, preparation of the scope document. The detailed scope document will be including all the major requirements that are gathered in order to implement the online bookstore. Work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure is in scope document to create it, ensure that major phases involved in the project, every step will be having different techniques in order to implement online bookstore, which is being mentioned in detail in the work breakdown structure. Cost management plan. The following section will comprise of two areas: cost estimates of resources and user time. For example, salaries and utility bills. Total cost $12,000 for 1 year. A centralized database $800 for 50 to 2,000 user. Website design $200 for 52,000 user. Web hosting $200 for 1 year, and etc. Risk risk management plan. For risk management plan, our team is allowed to take appropriate, realistic on time and effective actions. Our risk management plan supports the management activities and will allow them in making a better decision. And the last one and the most important segment is SWOT. Uh, in SWOT, in this section, online bookstore identifies its market and makes strategy according to the people they are targeting. So under market analysis, we will be considering SWOT analysis as follows. First one is strength. We have low cost structure. We can save people time and money. Price of books are affordable. We have huge number of third party sellers. Weakness, it is a startup, so we lack of experience. Customers only have online access to our store. Only dealings are fragile are compared to physical uh, dealings. Opportunities, there are few online shops to compete with. Uh, we have uh, we have not delivery restriction, expanding market. We can lower the price to gain market share. And threats are few but strong competitors. For example, readings and so more. Legal requirement, taxes and PFA, and giving the lowest price. Thank you.